junkfoodtaster.com. This is episode 2204. This is a Maxi Kinder Surprise egg from like Easter 2007. Wasn't open for the whole time. Yeah. And I think it's broken. No! Yeah, but I think. So I guess let's unbox it.
Is this one of the old ones which stinks a lot?
Yeah, probably. So you can see it. It says 2007. 150 gram. I bought it on eBay. I didn't store it for so long time. So it has this ribbon here. Let's get rid of it.
Let's do it.
Here we go. Okay. There it is. And as you can see, if you store it too long, the white gets a little bit yellow.
No one can eat this anymore.
Good. But let's rescue the toy. And I usually wear gloves when I investigate old Kinder Surprise eggs. So let's go for it. Yep, there's some chocolate traces left on this capsule. Don't want to touch this as well. There's really a lot of content in here. Alright. And this looks very interesting. Aha, little ants or something. Yeah. So let's investigate this. All this crap here can go.
This will be interesting.
I think so. So these little ants have all 6 legs. Just like the flyer. And they can little stunts. Make us like circus ants. Alright. So you can build different big ant pyramids. So let's check it out. Yeah, first of all, I think I'm putting them up everybody separately. So these two guys, and he makes a handstand, have ants hands. So 2 upright and the rest is handstands. So let's have a look around level. So here they are. I think it's all about this honey pot. What do you think, Professor?
Let's do it.
Alright. Alright, let's check out my skills in ant pyramid building. Good. So now the next one. And the next one. And the next one. Now it's getting a little bit shaky. And the last one. No!
Loser.
Yeah, do you want to do it, Professor?
No.
Okay, so then I think I have to try it a second time. Yeah, it was a nice game, I think. Nice quality figures. But a little bit difficult. So here comes the 5th. Oh no! Yep, 4 is no problem, but with number 5 it gets starting to get super tricky. Yeah. And just shaky. So now I have 5. And the 6th is like nearly impossible to get the 6th guy onto the pyramid. Yeah. You can see it's shaking. I tried to balance it out. It's breaking down here now. Alright, I can't manage it. If you had this in 2007, yes, I like to fall to the backside. If you had this in 2007, let me know whether you were able to manage the end pyramid. Yeah, I can build up two small ones, I think.
This is no problem, building up just 2 ones.
Yeah, I know, that's the reason I'm doing it, Professor. Okay. Yeah, what's the best you ever found in Kinder Surprise eggs? Let me know. What's your favorite toy? And if you ask yourself, where do I got this? I got this on eBay. Because I think that this 150 grams version they don't sell anymore. And now I've got 2 pyramids carrying the honey. Yep. Okay, thanks for watching.
Thanks for building it up, Professor.
Yeah.
Junk is the hand, Professor. I'm confused. Ah! I kick it down now.
Alright, yeah, I think everything is set here. Don't eat 5-year-old Kinder Surprise chocolate. But the toy is still fine. Next language, I think. So, das war jetzt Osteredition 2007. Hier ist auch so ein Professor vorne drauf.
Der sieht verrückt aus.
Genau, der sah damals noch ein bisschen anders aus, vor 6 Jahren. Genau, ist jetzt das 3. Mal. Ja, das ist, glaube ich, das 3. Mal, dass ich alte Kinderschokolade auspacke. Die wird dann so gelblich und stinkig. Und anfassen möchte ich das nicht mehr. Deshalb benutze ich jetzt mal Handschuhe. Und ja, und innen drinnen, draußen stand noch irgendwas von Tom und Jerry hier. Genau, war wieder nicht drin. Wieder kein Tom und Jerry. Dafür waren diese Ameisen drin. Und man kann hier eine Ameisenpyramide bauen. Und das ist übelst kompliziert. Genau. Genau, versuche ich es jetzt nochmal hier in der deutschen Version.
Du wirst es eh nicht schaffen.
Okay. Vielleicht muss man die auch einfach ab und zu mal andersrum hinstellen. Aber ich glaube nicht. Ich glaube einfach, hier ab 4 fängt schon an zu schwanken. Bei 5 ist es dann, den 5. hochzukriegen, ist fast impossible schon. So, und jetzt den 6. noch drauf zu kriegen. Gute Nacht, so. Ich habe es geschafft. Und jetzt muss man das Honigfass noch drauf kriegen. Genau. Dann hätte ich es eigentlich geschafft, so. Genau, das Honigfass war zu viel. Gut, ja, habt ihr das damals gehabt? Habt ihr es geschafft, jemals die Pyramide aufzubauen? Ja. Genau, das ist, also das 150 Gramm, diese Maxi-Eier haben sie wohl reduziert einfach auf 100 Gramm. Und früher war es halt noch größer. Ich weiß nicht, ob es ein noch größeres gibt. Wenn da irgendwas Bescheid weißt, was das allergrößte Überraschungsei ist, lasst mich das wissen. Ansonsten war es das mit der Folge. Danke fürs Zusehen.
Bye, bye.
Ja, und tschüss.